slime video. My special guest, Paisley. We do a lot of collabs together. So we just didn't want the video to take a really long time.
So we're
to take up a lot of space, basically. So we put our glue in here. We stirred it up.
And right now we're making a Karina Garcia slime kit, but we're not following the directions because we're making our own type of slime.
Yeah, so
glow in the dark.
I'm gonna make glow in the dark slime. She's gonna make cloud slime, and then at the end we're gonna split half and half, and we're going to give it to each other. That way, I have cloud slime, which is glow in the dark. She has cloud slime, glow in the dark.
I'm just gonna add some of this in.
Yeah. Then should I add some or no?
Add some, but don't make it touch your slime. Like, don't make that touch it.
Because we not that much. Like this?
No, do like a spoonful, because I don't even have enough right now.
Like this good?
Yes, just dump it in. Then let me have this.
And then stir.
You're gonna need more if you want it to actually be glue, but it's probably not actually gonna turn blue. I think we should add this once the slime's already ready.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, so there you go. So now I just need to add some of this activator.
I'll have the activator after you. Oh yeah, the odd thing is our activator's blue.
And it exploded.
Exploded? How did it explode?
Might be overactivated. Slime. Oh, never mind. Underactivated slime. But we want it to. I need to.
Why is this not coming? Oh my goodness! It was coming out there. Sorry,
my instant snow underwater.
Yeah. Just put her. Paisley, I think I added a.
Can I use a spoon? See, I told you, instant snow. It just instantly rises.
Oh my goodness! I never seen instant snow before.
It's so cool. I love instant snow.
Can I feel it?
It's like crystal rubies.
Oh my goodness, it's not sticking to me.
I know, because it's instant snow.
It looks like ice.
You know. It's like slime already. You don't even need.
Yeah, it's like slime. Instant snow should just be a slime.
Yeah. Good thing. Wait, we need a little bit more of powder and less of that, but okay, there you go. More powder. That was the coolest thing ever. Like, we put it in, look away, rise up.
Yeah, you can just blink and it'll rise up.
Yeah, that's literally what we did. Should we put more of this in? Yeah, we just did. So,
no turning back. Should I go get another spoon?
Yes.
Cause that's gonna be so cool. Paisley just added some blue to the incense. Our slime's gonna be really blue by the end of this.
Yes.
Okay, perfect. We're using the last spoon.
The last spoon. Wow, what are we gonna eat breakfast with then? Okay, you know what, guys? This is ridiculous. Just dump it in.
Dump it hard.
I'm not.
Look how light my slime is. And I've put like tons of scoops.
I know, that's why I'm gonna put
and also this activator does not that much. It makes it lighter. And also this slime
it's really gooey. Like you need a lot of it. Like I just did mine, it didn't do anything. I need a lot.
Don't put too much liquid in your slime. It's almost gone. Okay, we cannot put any more of this after.
Yeah, because we're making poppy slime after.
Yeah.
Oh, this is actually not bad. It's not actually that bad. Okay,
but that last one that I used is actually coming together with my slime.
And mine's coming together because I added like half this thing. Okay.
I think we have some. I think I might have some burr. Wow.
Okay, so I think this is good. Mine's coming together. I mean, I need just a tiny bit more.
Just tiny. And also, that comes out really fast.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this poppy slime better work.
Yeah.
We cannot
We have to use the rest of it for poppy slime.
Where's? Oh, here's.
But we're gonna have to use clear for poppy slime.
Yeah.
We have baggies, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Now I just need to make the instant snow like blue. Like actually blue, because it's really light right now. Don't dump it into that one. Did you add the glow in the dark yet?
No, I'm just adding a little more, and then I'm finished. I just want to be a little light. Okay, where's my stuff?
I added a lot of that. Okay.
Wait, where's my stuff? Oh, forgot, it's powder. So here's my powder.
I don't know if this is gonna be really like cloud slime, but it's gonna be like
that
really
looks so
good
cool.
slime. Okay, so I'm actually gonna dump this slime into here,
Okay.
and then like massage it into it. But like with the spoon. First, I'm gonna go in with a spoon because I'm scared this isn't gonna work. So yeah, wish me luck, guys.
And also, make sure to leave a big thumbs up for Paisley so she can make this slime today. It looks her face. It looks odd.
Very. Might need a little bit of clear.
Mine's gotta be a little green.
Well, this is just gonna be fun to play with, but we're gonna have to throw it away probably because. I mean, we could mix your slime with it. Yeah, we're gonna mix.
Slime, I don't think we should make poppy slime. My slime's, look.
Well, plus we're making it with the clear, so. Okay, so.
I need this.
Let me go. No, don't use it.
I need it. Look at
We're
my
using
slime.
it for the poppy slime. How about this? We just do the poppy slime, okay?
No, Paisley, that's not fair to me. Because then I have no slime, you have slime, and then you get 2 slimes.
This is ruined, and we're sharing that one, remember?
I really want to just make this.
Oh my gosh, we made this for no reason. Of course. And if you use the rest of that, you know that you're never going to make slime again for this kit because you won't have any more activators, so you can't make any more.
Well, anyways, our slime's ruined, guys.
No, they aren't.
Mine is. Since I can't add that activator, my slime's just ruined.
Let's just try poppy slime now.
Yes.
Okay, so let me wash my hands really quick.
I'm going to feel your slime. This slime actually feels good.
It's a massage, but not a good one. Okay. What are we going to do with this? Dump it down the sink or the garbage?
Don't. Do not dump it down anything, Paisley.
Okay.
Like, don't dump it down the sink. Like, at the end of our video, we'll throw it away.
Okay.
Like, we'll put it in bags and throw it away. Okay, so we're going to make poppy slime. Now, let me grab a bowl.
And I think it has to be, do you want it to be purple? Like a dark purple?
I kind of want it to be like a light purple.
It's not going to happen, I don't think.
I mean
Green?
dark purple.
We're going to make it green, okay?
Oh, yeah, I love green. Yeah, we're going to make it a green slime. I wish we didn't use that other blue one. We could make it turquoise.
I know, that's what we're doing right now. See?
Oh, yeah, I forgot. Yes, we got it.
It's actually really pretty. Okay, so let's just...
So we are going to double task this about making the slime. So
I'm going to make half, you're going to make half.
Yeah.
Okay. So I use half of this. Okay, I guess.
They didn't give us very much activator. At all. My hair.
Karina Garcia barely gives any. I know this is Craft City, but we're not very good activator.
Yeah.
No offense.
Sorry guys, if you really like Craft City slime stuff, we're really sorry.
This is not glue, it's water. That is water. Slime goo, so you can add as much as you want of that, and I wouldn't add that much. And a little. Wait, how do you make the poppy slime?
It's not good.
Make it pop. To make crunchy slime, add the bubble wrap square to your slime. Okay, we're adding this to your slime because we're making it. You have to add this to it.
I don't have a spoon.
I can rip this apart.
Oh, we can add them together.
Okay. Sorry.
I'm gonna add a little more.
Okay, I can't rip this in half. We need scissors. Can you hand me the scissors? Okay, you take half. Okay, there you go. That's your half. That's my half. And yeah. Okay, so.
You add it?
Yeah, that's what it said. Okay, so make it. Okay, make it. To make crunchy slime, add the bubble wrap, square, and your slime. So you can pop the sound with it. So you basically just make the slime with it. We never used the glitter yet. Do you want to make the glitter? Okay, let's use the glitter. I'll cut it open. Oh, it's a very pretty aqua color. Okay.
Sorry, I'm adding some more to my
Just add 3.
3. Yeah, because you don't want to over liquid it.
That's my spoon though. Wait, don't use that to mix, okay? Because that's my spoon.
I wasn't going to.
Okay, that's good.
There you go.
It's not going to activate, I don't think. I didn't add any activator. Great. Now I can't make mine. Okay, glittery, goopy mist.
You did.
No, I didn't. I didn't add any.
It's not really slime. Because the bubble wrap's in it. Okay.
I think my bubble wrap just dissolved. Oh, this is my bubble wrap.
Look at this. I think it was better without the bubble wrap.
Well, you're supposed to make slime before you do it, but before you add it in, this is weird. Okay.
So bye.